Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to GIT Channel for Tech. Yeah, today we actually did the oil change on it. So I'm gonna tell you how to reset the maintenance required sign for the oil change metric they're using for how soon you have to change the oil and stuff. So I'll tell you how to do it. Let's do it. So first of all, I had a vehicle turned off. Just start the vehicle. Let me find the button first. Push the brake, start the vehicle. Let me show you the sign. Maintenance required, what I'm talking about. You see the screen flipping. It's just for you guys on the camera. For me, it's still screen. Maintenance required, okay? So first you have to do, turn the odometer, the sign, to the trip A. Over here, the trip button. You have to push and bring it to trip A. Okay, let me show you. I push trip B, then mileage remaining mileages, and then how many miles it has, and then it comes up to trip A. So when it get to trip A, just turn off your car, push the button, car is off. And the tricky thing is, and the most thing you have to focus on is this button, kilometer per hour to mile per hour, sorry, my bad. So this is kph and mph. So some models have it over here next to that side mirror setting adjustment, and this inside dome light setting, and that button over here is speedometer mileage change button. So you have to push and hold and turn the power on, and it's gonna start resetting your data, resetting maintenance data complete, and then you release it, and your setting is done for next 5,000 miles. Mine is set up on 5,000 miles. You can change it from inside of the system too. So that one gonna come up from the setup, vehicle setup, and from up here you can change that mileage setting. But I recommend it to change it every 5,000 miles. Even though I use this time I use regular oil, but you can use the high mileage too. But I recommend it to keep changing within 5,000 miles. Don't exceed it. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time. Bye bye. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like button, comment over here. Tin tin. Bye.